What's up guys? It's time to get lost again. And nandito tayo sa Pagod Food ngayon. So sobrang thankful kami na na-invite tayo ng Abox dito sa event nila, yung Sunset Socials 2. So dito tayo sa Pagod Food, Ilocos Norte. And bumiyahe tayo ng 10 hours, no? 10 hours para lang sa event na to. So nung in-invite nila tayo, talagang free up namin yung schedule namin para maka-attend dito. So itong Sunset Socials 2 is organized nila Abox, ABOCS or Adventure Brothers of Cordillera and Sierra in partnership with Ikani Surf Resort. So kaya nandito tayo ngayon sa Pagod Food. And ayan si Brian.
I'm back. Dami ko na miss.
So yeah. So kung napapanood niyo yung mga recent videos namin, laging wala si Brian. So ngayon nandito na siya sa
na-miss ko yung Pilipinas. Ganda talaga ng Pinas.
Mas maganda pa rin Pilipinas,
maganda pa rin ang Pilipinas.
So ngayon guys, nandito tayo sa Pagod Food. Nandun yung resort. So nag-explore muna tayong konti and may nakita kaming spot dito na
tawag nila dito? Mini Batanes.
Parang mini Batanes. Sobrang ganda, sobrang ganda. So papakita ko rin in a while yung spot na to. Pero again, silipin natin yung yung event kasi yun yung pinunta talaga natin dito, yung Sunset Social. So second year na nila. Thank you talaga sa Abox kasi guys, itong Abox, sila yung mga fanboy kami ng Abox kasi yung lifestyle nila,
same tayo pinopromote na lifestyle.
Yes. Overlanding, motorcycle, surfing, good vibes. So just living the life, yung ganung lifestyle. So
balita ko rin bro, 'di ba may magandang lineup ng mga tutugtog.
Yan, may
tapos may pa-trail sila diyan. Buwata sila ng truck doon so may
correct, may motorcycle trail. Tapos surfing lessons with J-Love of Electric Century. So exciting. Maraming ganap, may mga booth. So pinagandaan tong event na to. So papakita namin sa inyo in a while.
Suporta tayo dito.
Oo, talagang sinadya namin to 10 hours para sumuporta dito kasi again, idol namin tong Abox. So na-meet na namin to before. Si Brian first time nila ma-meet. Na-meet ko na sila twice nung nagsantaan na kami. And then ayun, sobrang we're just living this lifestyle na parang lang, good vibes lang kasi yun lang naman talaga gusto natin.
Outdoor, good vibes.
Outdoor, adventure. So yun lang. And
tapos ito na naman, iba na naman yung ganda talaga ng norte. Nakakainis talaga yung Pilipinas.
So babalikan pa to kasi nasilip namin kanina. Ang daming mga gandang spot dito sa sa Pagod Food area. So may mga remote areas pa. So kagaya nitong spot na kung saan kami ngayon, papakita ko na lang mamaya. Ayan, so
tsaka first North Loop namin talaga na naka-pick up, dumaan kami dito, kaya medyo masarap din balikan, di ba?
Tama.
First North Loop yun, medyo 2-3 years ago.
So ayun na guys, so papakita ko lang yung Sunset Socials 2. Eto na.
Abox. Sige, set up tayo dun.
Alis namin kayo dun. Sige lang. Abox. Jay, kumusta?
Sa wakas, nagkita na yun.
Idol.
Kumusta biyahe?
Ayos lang.
Kaya to.
Pwesto lang kami.
Sige lang.
Ay.
idol!
Idol.
Hello po.
Idol.
Hoy, salamat! Iban, sarap.
Century guys.
Later that day, we kayaked across the river of Callao, just below Alahiban.
Hindi talaga ako magaling magsalita dito sa harapan. I'll try my best. Ito. Ang task ko, is palakpakan naman sa mga nandito ngayon para sa Test Socials. And because if you appreciate something, you will learn to love it. And if you love something, you will learn to protect it. So let us protect it for our future generations. And yung mga bata ngayon, para sa kanila to. So maraming salamat. Bantay din, bye-bye.
Akala ko maliit lang to. Langya kayo, dami pala natin. So again, palakpakan natin yung mga sarili natin. Mga dumayo, mga pumunta, mga naglaan ng oras. So again, congratulations sa ating lahat. Kinakabahan ako, langya ka dun. Nag-share ako sa mga interesado na matuto mag-repair ng board. Kasi dun lang po din ako nag-umpisa. So shoutout kila Jeff, legend din ng mga Philippine surfing sa longboard. Palakpakan natin to. So, mag-share lang ako ng mga natutunan ko along the way kung paano mag-repair. So, sa interesado ng mga locals, aboks, or yung mga nagsisurf dyan, paano matuto. Bukas, magkakaroon kami ng mini sharing lang naman.
Okay, welcome to Sunset Social Store, guys. Let's enjoy. Have fun, guys. Have fun. Go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, nanalo po si Sir Pet. May picture tayo. Oh my God!
So your tears been running like a waterfall. Thought the stars would never let you down. And you keep on thinking you can save yourself, but that's love, that's just love. You should know some things will hurt, and you'll end up getting burned. I just hope that you will learn. That's just love, that's just love. You will get back up again, even if you don't know when. And it feels like the world is coming down on you. You have to move on, deal with your broken heart. No matter what you think, you'll never ever get enough of love. Every time you feel the walls are closing in, and it seems like nothing makes it better, you should try to remember that's just how it is when it comes to love, comes to love. Cause you know sometimes it hurts, and you end up getting burned. But sometimes it can be beautiful. That's just love, that's just love. You will get back up again, even if you don't know when. And it feels like the world is coming down on you. You have to
Una-una, thank you sa Avox for having us, for inviting us, and congratulations kasi napakaganda ng event nyo. Lahat ng tumugtog, yung mga vendors, yung mga activities, sobrang solid. Sa uulitin, na-inspire kami. Thank you.
Yun, dami pa na-meet, no?
Dami pong na-meet. Tama-tama yung word na Sunset Socials kasi actually yun naman yung purpose nun eh. Marami kang ma-meet na ibang tao. Same kayo ng trip, na mga outdoor. So, congrats.
Ayun yung Sunset Socials 2 ng Avox and Ikani. So, sana may trip pa. Though meron naman daw, binigyan na kami ng hint ni Kent na kung ano yung magiging idea, kung ano yung idea ng Sunset Socials 3. Ayun, kasi again, yung vibe, yung lifestyle, yun yung parang I think #1 pinopromote dito eh. Kasi we just want to have a good life and good vibe, diba? Ganun. So, and adventure of course. Kaya nga Adventure Brothers of Cagayan and Sierra.
Oo.
So, yun.
Sulit na sulit yung 10 hours na biyahe, no?
Sulit yung 10 hours na biyahe, sulit, sobrang sulit.